Come watch me doing a little change on my 5.7 V8. Damn, look how far this fucking boat is. There's like no oil coming out. Oh shit! It's all over my fucking face, man. And I don't know what Chevy was thinking about putting. It's like rolling around the fucking dry shaft. Now it's time to do the damn oil filter, man. It's just always a pain in the ass for some reason. So after using this fucking piece of shit to get the oil filter off, finally worked. Oh my god. Bro, I was about to like cry. Oh my god. I'm gonna let that drain for a minute. Now, since I put the nut and the new oil filter on, not to put the new oil on. So now I'm just putting the oil in, and it's raining right now, so you know that's great. And just like that, I'm done. Let me know if you guys want to see more of this. I'll do other things too besides oil changes. I need to start working on this truck tomorrow. But yeah, have a good one.